I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, just click here on settings, then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to open links within a browser, clicking this sign like you see this color show for us. That's me here, open links within our browser enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it on your Bluesky app. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.